What is happening, all of my 420 friendly people? This your boy KR, President CEO over here at Up and Smoke. We got it going on, guys. We're making this money. We're moving this bud. We're getting people healthy. This thing is amazing. What I wanted to do right quick is jump over here on our Up and Smoke site and show you the compensation plan, how my distributors are making this money over here with Up and Smoke, guys. We're moving this product. We're getting people healthy. We're changing lives. We're changing financial situations. You need to get over here with us so that I can show you how it is that this is being done, guys. Imagine being able to make anywhere from $40,000 to $50,000 per month doing this, guys. Making anywhere from 25 to 30,000 per month doing this. Being able to make like a 10,000 per month. That's even good, right? Some people would love to be making some money over here at Up and Smoke, working as one of our distributors, guys. You're working as a distributor. So right now, I'm going to take you on the inside of the greenhouse, let you see how it is we're making this money. We have three financial plans. We have the Indica Growth Plan, which is number one. We have our amazing hybrid growth plan, which is number two. Then we have our sativa growth plan. Now, based upon our plans, guys, this is how we're making this money. This is how we're making this money. With the Indica Growth Plan, that's like our beginner plan for people that's just coming in, getting their feet wet, right? You want to come in on this plan right here. And when you come on this plan, you're going to be bringing in $775 per month. Plus, you're going to be bringing in this money each and every month into your bank account, directly to your bank account, working as one of our distributors, guys. You don't have to go out and search for product. You don't have to search for advertising. You don't have to do nothing because we're going to provide you with all of that. Let's take a look at this Indica Growth Plan and how you can make your money. Now, each distributor must purchase 3 products per month. We do require that. You as a distributor, you want to be whether you're using it or whether you're not, we want you to participate because this is where the money is made. This is how the people that you bring are going to be paying you. We ask that each distributor purchase 3 products per month at $40 each. That means that each one of the products that you purchase must be a minimum of $40 each. And once you get a taste of these products, we're not going to have any problem with you purchasing 3 to 5 to 6 or 7 of these products every month. But the minimum is 3 at $40. So that's a total of $120 per month that you're going to be spending to be making thousands. That keeps you in the game, right? You're paying $120 per month, taking possession of the products. But understand why you're taking possession of the products. Instead of being forced to go do a lot of big advertising, paying for big banner ads and all of that, you're going to use the products. Use the products that we have as your advertisement. That is what we do. We will let someone sample one of the gummies. Right here, take one of the gummies, check it out, get back to me. Guess what they get back to us and say? I want in. So guess what just happened? You just put a distributor up under you. Yeah. So what if I do that with 3 people? If 3 people, I simply just get the products. I pay 40 for each for a total of 120. And then when I give people the products, whether it be the cookies, the brownies, whether it be the pre-rolls, whether it be the vape pens, whatever it is, whether it be the gummies or the moon rocks, whatever it is that I give them, they're going to love it. They're going to come and become a member. When they become a member, you just put another distributor on your team. So let's just look at this plan. All you need is 3. Let's be serious. 3 distributors, time 3 products. Remember, each distributor has to take possession of 3 products at $40 each in the month to show that they're participating and they're out here giving away samples. You got to get your samples because you are an independent contractor. So you want your products with you so when you pass a gummy, pass a rock, right? When you pass those little gummy rocks, hey, you're getting people interested and they want to join. So let's look at this comp plan. 3 distributors, right, on your team, time the 3 products at $40 each, time 5%. You're getting 5% of that, guys. That is $18 per month. Then you beef it up because your 3 are going to bring in 3. When that happens, now it's 9 on your team. Time those 3 products at $40 each at 10% now. It just went up. You're getting more of a percentage, right? That's pretty cool. Now you're at 108 per month. That is super exciting, guys. Now let's look at the master of this. You get 27 when your nine bring in three each. When your nine brings in three each, that is a total of 27 distributors on your team. And if each one of those distributors are purchasing at three products times at $40 per month, now you're getting 20% of those sales. That is $649 per month. When you add the three totals together, you're at $775 per month, guys. And what did you do? Introduce people to some great stuff that they love to do anyway. They're going to all of these other places buying the stuff. They're getting it directly from you. And what even make that even better, they do not even have to go to a store because you have it in your back office. They can purchase the products from you. They'll be delivered to them discreetly. Guys, this thing is amazing. Let's look at the hybrid growth plan. The hybrid growth plan is our number 2 plan. This plan is a little bit more beefy because you're getting $3,330 per month. How many of you guys would like $3,330 per month to party and to kick it and share great products, to kick back and, puff on you a nice one, right? And chill out. How would you like to make money doing that? That is what we're doing. Let's look at this plan. Each distributor must still purchase 3 products per month at that $40 low cost, guys, to get these amazing products. That's a total of $120 per month. So you basically saying that you're purchasing 3 products, so you'll be able to go out and share the products with others, which is going to bring them on your team and make them your customers as well. So let's look at the 5 people. Now we went from 3 when we were on the other plan. Let's look at this plan number 2. If you bring in 5 distributors, time those 3 products at $40 per month at 5%, that is $30 per month. But what happens when your 5 get 5? That's 25 distributors. Time 3 products at $40 each. Time that 10% now. You see, it went up again from 5 to 10 at 10%. That equals $300. But what happens when your 25 go out there and share this great opportunity? And the products sell themselves, guys. You don't have to do nothing but say, hey, check this out. Let me give you this gummy. I want you to check this out tonight. Let me give you this pre-roll, man. Check it out tonight and let me know. And give them your business card. They're going to get with you. So now you got 125 distributors when you're 25 share with 5 people. Now that is 125 distributors times 3 products, guys, at that $40 each, time 20% now. That is $3,000 per month. Let's look at those totals. That's $3,000 plus the 300 and the 30. That is $3,330 per month just to kick it, hang out, and share great products. Kick back on your cannabis with your gummies, with your man, just kick back and relax, put on some nice music, and and the products are amazing. It is helping people health-wise, those that suffering with arthritis and rheumatism and things of that nature. These products are helping them. They're focused. We have the shrooms, we have the mushrooms. They're helping people to focus, get their energy up, guys. This thing is amazing. Let's look at the sativa growth plan, which is our final plan for now. I'm sure we're going to be coming with more, but right now I think over here at Up in Smoke, we're doing some pretty good stuff. Now, with the sativa growth plan, that plan brings you $25,260 per month every month. And guys, we're paid every Friday. This is a job, guys. This is your dispensary. This is your dispensary. You're getting paid $25,260 per month. And the same thing applies. Each distributor must just simply purchase 3 products. Who wouldn't want to spend $120 per month getting some great products, kicking it, to make $25,260? This thing is amazing. Now, check this out. 10 distributors. You're going to go out here and share this great opportunity with 10 distributors. And I'm going to tell you a trick to sharing it with 10 distributors. The trick is this. Whenever, if you just say, for instance, you ordered the gummy pack. If you order the gummy pack has 10 gummies in it. If you just share that gummy pack with 10 people, trust me, they're going to come back and say, put me on. So guess what? You use your gummy pack to set up your team, guys. Imagine that. So 10 distributors time the 3 products. Time that $40 at 5% is $60 per month coming in. But this thing is getting ready to explode. When you're 10, share this great product with 100 distributors. With 100 distributors time the 3 products at that $40 each, times 10% equal 1,200 per month. Do you see the money coming in every month? Look at this, guys. 1,000 distributors. Time the three products, time $40 each at 20% equal $24,000 per month. That is a total of $25,260 coming to you every month. What happened the next month when you bring in another 10 distributors? Because once you get to giving these products and stuff away, people are going to be running you down to get them. Guys, you don't have to be a user of the product or anything. I don't have to be a doctor to own a doctor's office. I just own the building. It's the same with you guys, whether you do the products or not. If you do the products, great, because you're going to enjoy it. If you don't do the products, just enjoy helping others to enjoy it while you're getting paid, guys. That is what this is all about over here at Up and Smoke. One of the greatest distributors that I've ever met, man. They're over. His name is Marty, that own our distribution company, and he's killing it over there at Smoke Bullets. We're getting all of the great products we need to make our dispensary run. And when we connect you with us, you're going to have that same hookup. You're going to be getting great products, great services, everything that you could use to make it happen, man. Everything that you can use to make it happen. This thing is amazing. So get with us over at Up and Smoke. Let us show you what it is that we're doing, how we're making money in the cannabis business, how we're changing lives and creating millionaires, guys. All you need to do is commit to 120 so you can get set up and get your first bushel of products. Once that happens, you off and running, working with the team. We all support you and work with you and help you to make this happen. Become one of the smoke buds and the Up and Smoke distributors and change your life today, guys. Hollering out to all of my 320 friendly people, because this is how we're going to change the world. This your boy KR over here at Up and Smoke. Get at me. Let me show you how it is that we're changing the game in the cannabis industry. Y'all have a great one. Take care.